Alright, just a quick sound demo of this US Navy amplifier. These things were built in the 50s by the US government as a projection amplifier. It's got these giant, right there, these two 6L6s. They're almost in like KT66 sized bottles with the yellow base. Very rare to have a yellow base on those. And then the rectifier and a couple of 6 SL7s and the preamp. Amp's probably about 50 or 60 watts. Got it on a 212 vertical slant cab with some army green baffle just to match it. Yeah, look at my you have to modify these amps a bit on the input and the output, so until I do that I've got funky wiring. I've already modified my Navy amp, so I have the inputs and outputs right there. Almost the same thing. It doesn't have those giant tubes. It just has standard 6L6s. So let's give it a listen. Just gonna play a little bit of clean stuff here on the bridge pickup. A little bit of slapback delay. There's the bridge pickup. Neck pickup.